Is your Apple Watch screen too dim even at full brightness? This usually happens because of auto brightness settings, system bugs, or display issues. No need to worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the brightness too low issue on your Apple Watch. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution 1. Turn off cinema mode. Press the side button to bring up the control center. Find the mask icon. If you enabled this mode before, then toggle it off. Solution 2. Turn off low power mode. Again, open up the control center. Tap on the charging percentage number. Now tap on low power mode on to disable this option. Solution 3. Increase brightness. Open the settings app. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, tap display and brightness. Now tap on the sun icon from the right side to increase the brightness. Solution 4. Check your software update. Open the watch home screen. Tap on the settings app. Now scroll down and then tap general. Tap software update. If there is a new update, then download and install the update. So folks, this is the way to fix the brightness too low issue on your Apple Watch. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See ya.